Hi guys, so today we have come to Chessington World of Adventures. It's only the zoo that's open, so we are going to show you around.
Water fountain!
Some ducks.
Oh, my arm! Can you throw on my shoulder?
What are you waiting for, boys? You want them to go on your arm?
Yeah. Mum, oh, that gross. They make loads.
The lorikeets.
I found out that they love fruit, pollen, and something else.
And
But I can't
where do
remember
they
that.
live? Where are they
They
usually
live in
found?
Australia, and they live with all the parrots and other birds.
Ooh, fabulous. And we are hoping that we will be able to see some tigers in all their glory, basking in the sunshine. So for all my families watching this video, and I am going to talk more about this is a real lifesaver when it comes to going to theme parks with children. So I'll discuss that more in my other videos. So keep an eye out for that. So we are just in Tiger Rock. It's beautifully presented. The sun's out. All the winter prize stuff and the children's rides are shut at the moment just because of everything that's going on. So this is the first time we've actually been to Chessington World of Adventures, and we came here because it's one of the only places local to us that's open at the moment. But you know what, it's lovely, and it really has a real Busch Gardens feel. So if you've been to Busch Gardens and you love Busch Gardens, get yourself over to Chessington because it's really lovely. So we've spotted our first tiger, which is just above us.
Tiger!
The children are trying to wake it up.
It's sleeping.
We found another one sleeping in the shade.
Oh, it's coming down there in the glass. It's gonna come in the glass here. Does it jump down? Meow. 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 It is. Yeah,
So
that's
we've
what
spotted another tiger.
it-
over there. The tigers.
Me! I'm gonna look over here, see if I can see if one of them walking.
We found another one. Wow.
Or it just moved.
So it looks like there's a really cool water ride that goes through the tiger enclosures. Pretty awesome. Now going through to the conservation area, so let's see what we can see down here.
I go for one.
See them, darling? Big rabbits. Look through the fence.
There's a tortoise.
They're real.
They're just roaming around. Just beautiful.
Daddy, tortoise.
I've done it before, but that's where it is. Yeah.
Aww.
Run away!
That's what I want.
Run away!
Mommy, I want a baby one of them.
There you go.
Daddy, I think it's very good.
Mine. I'd like to go on that water ride by the tigers. That looks so cool.
Does look really cool. What's your favourite parks, children?
That water one. Turtle and water.
Wow. And how about you, Princess? What's your favourite thing you've seen so far?
Mine's the little park, the little water ride what Daddy said he saw through the gate.
Wow. If you are looking to eat in the park, here is a menu of just chicken. So children's meals $5.50, adult meals $8.95. You can get some sides and things. I would say it's fairly reasonably priced for a park. I'm not sure if they do any deals here where you can pay for meals for the whole day or anything like that. So we are heading over to Africa. Is it Africa? This way?
So, yeah.
We're heading over to Africa and hopefully we will get to see some giraffes and some really awesome stuff. Africa, and it's on a jeep
enough. Oh, you have to
type
be 1
ride.
to 3 this time. You have to be 1 to 3. Am I tall enough?
Yes, you are tall enough to.
No, that's on your
I think
work.
it's to ride on your own.
Am I?
Oh, you are. I think if you put your feet together, stand up straight, head up. Yeah, I think you'd get away with that. So I've just spotted a little cheeky monkey over here. I'm just kidding. Up there. I don't know if you can see it now though. It's probably gone. So we are in Swahili Goodbye. Swahili Goodbye? I don't know if that's what it's called. It's probably just telling us goodbye. So we're going to have a look to see what we can see.
Let me stick you here, Booze. You like the shade, don't you, Bubba? 1 second. Ow.
It's too hot for
I know,
some-
Dom. How many over here?
They love sand, don't they? They love sand.
So we come round again. The zebras have
Diana,
started
come here.
coming into the enclosure. It's pretty awesome. Here they come.
Okay, I'm going to get you in a shade.
A zebra! 2 zebras!
Zebras. Daddy, zebras.
Stay there with Mummy. Stay there with Mummy. She wants to get the shade, so stay with Mummy.
Oh, look at that big one!
So we've got some-
Yeah, I'm not going yet. Don't worry. I'm not going yet.
We've still missed the sea lion.
Hello.
Big one.
Hello.
They've actually made a goal. They've made a goal. Do you reckon monkeys are better than squirrels at climbing?
There's some little black monkeys up here.
Do you want to look at the penguins or not? You do? You need to go here then. And you need to stand.
So they are serving slushies, which is nice because it's really hot today. We're just going to take a little walk into Rainforest. There's Lots of little rides here, suitable for children. It's like a little monkey drop type thing. All of these rides are obviously closed. Cute little backdrop.
Look at that. Mummy, I'm old enough. I'm just about old enough to go on my own.
Wow.
On this ride.
No. You can go on with Mummy and Daddy and we drive you.
Daddy,
Hello.
it'd be impossible, but imagine if we came here again today and I bumped into my friend here and we had like a race.
Yeah.
Was it on a bucket of cold water?
He's got the monkeys up the roof.
How much scratch your snake
I want to be better for that.
But it's shaded a bit more now. It's got the last little view of it. You know what? You know what I saw? I saw a person see that big gorilla?
I knew you loved it up there.
I said he's got a small one.
They like them, ain't they? They're called sea lions, baby. They like dolphins, didn't they?
Why didn't you let me have a little imagination for 5 minutes?
I think they're asking for their food. They're saying,
I'm looking at the sea lions.
Whoa!
They like fish too, seagulls. They love fish.
Daddy, they call them their names when they're coming back. So, yes, that's his poo. Oh, that's dry. That is a big one. What big cat? Oh, he's licking away.
Please don't bang the glass, pal.
so that's all from us today, guys. We had a fantastic day here at Chessington World of Adventures. What did you think?
This bit was the best bit, I thought. Brilliant. Very good. I bet the show's awesome, if it does do one.
Yep. And from the children, would you like to say bye?
Bye.
Bye!
And also this is my favourite animal bit. But my ride bit is the water one.
And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe so we can bring you more videos just like this. Thank you. Bye.